So over here, you can see that I have this Terabox generated content right here, this essay, and here you can see the text. If you want to go ahead and edit this out, then you can simply place your cursor wherever you want right here, just like this, and type in whatever you want right here. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and add in the word tube just like this, as you can see. Apart from this, I can select it out to go ahead and get the formatting options, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and set the title from over here. You can set the color of the text, as you can see right here, just like this. The selected text, bold it out, italicize it out, or underline it out. The selected text right here, you get these very options over here on the top as well. You get to go ahead and change the font size as you wish, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead, you can remove the italicizing right here, even add in a strike through, make it a subscript right here, and add in a superscript as well. For example, if I were to have something like, let's say, for example, H2O, then I want to go ahead and make this to a subscript. So I can simply go ahead and select it out and make it a subscript right here so that it goes below. If you want it to be a superscript, then you can go ahead and keep this one right here just like this as well. So you can go ahead and disable it out as well if you don't want it anymore. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you also have option to change up the font color, as you can see right here, and even go ahead and choose the background color, that is the highlight color right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then edit and format out the text as you want inside of your word editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.